வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் குரூப் ஒன்றோட ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். கடந்த எபிசோடில் 2021 வரலாற்றில், அதாவது ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 2019 ஆண்டு வரலாற்றில் ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள். மொத்தம் 30 கேள்விகள். சரி, நம்ம நேரைய கேள்விக்கு போயிடலாம். முதல் கேள்வி, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்டேஜஸ் ஆஃப் மேன்ஸ் ப்ரோக்ரஸ் இஸ் நாட் ப்ராப்பர்லி மேட்ச்ட்? A. Primitive food collection stage, Stone Age. B. Advanced food collecting stage, Mesolithic age. C. Food production stage, Chalcolithic age. D. Urbanization, Bronze age. The correct choice is C. Food production stage, Chalcolithic age. Question number 2. The most outstanding Buddhist writer in Sanskrit was A. Kalidas, B. Ashwaghosa, C. Bharavi, D. Kumaradasa. The correct answer is C. Bharavi. Question number 3. Arrange in chronological order. 1. Battle of Chausa. B. Death of Babur. Battle of Kannauj. 4. Death of Akbar. So the correct choice is 2, 1, 3, 4. That is C. That is death of Babur, then battle of Chausa, then battle of Kannauj, and fourth one, death of Akbar. Fourth question. Ramohan Roy accepted the concept of God founded by Upanishad. 2. Swami Dayananda accepted the Western ideas. 3. The social reform leaders fought for the problems of women and depressed classes. 4. 1918, the Pharma Brahminical Organization in South Division Liberal Federation was started. Correct ones are A. 1, 2, 3 are correct. 4 only not correct. B. 1, 3, 4 are correct. 2 only not correct. C. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. D. 2, 3, 4 are correct. 1 is not correct. The correct answer is A. 1, 2, 3 are correct. 4 is not correct. Fifth question. Which of the following facts are true regarding the commercialization agriculture under British rule? 1. Money lending and exploitation of poor peasants. 2. Scarcity of food. 3. Increase the demand of cash crops. 4. Commercial agriculture went in bankruptcy. A. 1 is true, 2, 3, 4 are false. B. 2, 3, 4 are true, 1 is false. All are false statements. D. All are true. The correct choice is D. All the statements are true. Sixth question. Name the famous dancer who crowned Kathak King of India. A. Premchand. B. Shambhu Maharaj. C. Tyagarajar. D. Fateh Singh. The correct answer is B. Shambhu Maharaj. Seventh question. Which among the given facts became the primary reason for the leave of E.V. Ramasamy from Indian National Congress? A. Conflict with M.K. Gandhi. B. Crisis in Saran Mahadi Charity Training Center. C. Congress ideology. D. Communal disparity in Congress. The correct answer is A. Conflict with M.K. Gandhi. Eighth question. Which strengthened the national movement? A. Europeanization. B. Marxian theory. C. Religious faith. D. Secular ideology. The correct answer is D. Secular ideology. Match the following. Coal uprising, Palpur. Sandal uprising, Orissa. Gonds uprising, Assam. Ahoms uprising, Chota Nagpur. The correct choice is A. 4, 1, 2, 3. That is, coal uprising is Chota Nagpur. Sandal uprising, Palpur. Gonds uprising, Orissa. Ahoms uprising, Assam. 10th question. Which decision of Gandhiji was opposed by Ambedkar? A. Partition in India. B. Calling lower caste. C. Satyagraha movement. D. Non-cooperation movement. The correct choice is C. Satyagraha movement. 11th question. Arrange the following in chronological order. 1. Communal Award. 2. Nehru Report. 3. Gandhi-Irwin Pact. 4. Visit of Simon Commission. The choices are 32144231 2431 1423. The correct answer is B 4231. That is visit of Simon Commission, then Nehru Report, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, then Communal Award. 12th question. Match the following connected with the years and acts. A. Introduction of communal representation 1935. Right of discussing budget 1919. Separation of Burma 1909. August Declaration 1892. The choices are given, but right choice directly I am reading. The right choice is B, that is 3412, that is introduction of communal representation, that is 1909. Then right of discussing budget 1892, that's 4, and separation of Burma, that's 1935, and August Declaration, that is 1919. 13th question. The sequence in which the given terms are mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India is A. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic Republic. Socialist, Secular, Sovereign, Democratic Republic. C. Secular, Sovereign, Democratic, Socialist Republic. D. Sovereign, Democratic, Secular, Socialist Republic. The right answer is A. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic Republic. 14th question. Consider the following statements. 1. The National Cadet Corps was established in 1948. 2. The Sainik schools were established as a joint venture of the central and state governments. Which of the statements is or true? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. D. Both 1 and 2 are wrong. The correct answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. 15th question. The writing method of Hindu script. A. From left to right only. B. From right to left only. C. From left to right and right to left. D. From left to right and D. From right to left and left to right. So the correct answer is D. From right to left and left to right. 16th question. The reference to Sangam period, which of the following pair is or not correct? Tamaradesa Sangatam, Confederacy of Tamil States. B. Udayan Seral, the first chairman. C. Madurai Kanchi, Mangudi Mardan. D. Naura Tondi. The correct answer is D. Naura Tondi. 17th question. Who was recognized as a successor of Shivaji? A. Balaji Vishwanath. B. Balaji Bajirao. C. Rajaram. D. Bhosle of Nagpur. The correct answer is D. Bhosle of Nagpur. 18th question. The Battle of Talikota was fought in the year A. 1575. B. 1565. C. 1545. D. 1555. The correct answer is B. 1565. 19th question. Northcote Trevelyan Commission of 1853 linked with A. Education. B. Agriculture. C. ICS. D. Industry. The correct answer is C. ICS. 20th question. In which field the colonial regime followed downward filtration theory? A. Educational policy. B. Industrial policy. C. Social policy. D. Commercial policy. The correct answer is A. Educational policy. 21st question. Which of the following refers unity of spirit Rabindranath Tagore? A. Unity of India. B. Unity in diversity. C. Consolidation of India. D. India's complexities. The correct answer is A. Unity of India. 22nd question. Which one of the following concept is not rule of law? Natural justice. B. Fair play. C. Equity. D. Judiciable quality. The correct answer is D. Judiciable quality. 23rd question. The Government of India issued the Citizenship Pondicherry Order in the year A. 1862, B. 1964, C. 1969, D. 1967. The correct answer is A. 1962. Question number 24. According to R.C. Majumdar's statement, the revolt of 1857 failed because A. There was no unity of command in the armies of revolt. B. The army have suffered for serious financial difficulty. C. The Indian states did not support the revolt. D. There was no cordiality between the Hindus and Muslims. The correct answer is D. There was no cordiality between the Hindus and Muslims. 25th question. Read the following statement and find out the correct one. 1. C.R. Das was known as Dinabandhu. B. He was uncrowned king of Bengal. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C. Both 1 and 2. 26th question. Which song is called the Bible of modern Bengali patriotism? A. Janaganamana. B. Vande Mataram. C. Gitanjali. D. Devi Chandurani. The correct answer is B. Vande Mataram. 27th question. Who said, I am an Indian tom-tom waking up all the sleepers so that they may wake and work for their motherland? This is my task. A. Mrs. Annie Besant. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Mrs. Annie Besant. 28th question. What was the form of struggle that Congress adopted against the British in 1940? A. Non-cooperation. B. Individual satyagraha. C. Mass civil disobedience. D. Armed struggle. The correct answer is B. Individual satyagraha. 29th question. Consider the following events and find out the chronological sequence of the events. 1. Chauri Chaura incident. 2. Russo-Japanese war. 3. Gandhiji returned from South Africa. The choices are A. 1, 2, 3. B. 2, 1, 3. C. 3, 2, 1. D. 2, 3, 1. The correct choice is D. 2, 3, 1. That is Russo-Japanese war. Then Gandhiji returned from South Africa and Chauri Chaura incident. The last question, that is 30th question. In which year E.V. Ramasamy became the chairman of the Erode municipality? A. 1907. B. 1909. C. 1917. D. 1919. The correct answer is C. 1917. Okay, right? So thank you very much. நம்ம இன்னொரு ஹிஸ்டரி கொஸ்டினை குரூப் ஒன்னில் வந்து அடுத்த ஒரு எபிசோடில் பார்ப்போம். நன்றி.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.